Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I will explain you increment and decrement operators. So let's start with example. I will explain you along with program. Okay. So first of all, I am declaring three variable. Let's say x, y, and z. Okay, where z is initialized with, let's say, 0. Okay, now first of all let me tell you what is increment and decrement operators. Till now you might know about arithmetic operator. Okay, after that logical operators, and you know that operators require generally two operands it requires. Okay, for example, plus operator, increment operator require two operator, but this increment operator, okay, it is unary operator. It is unary operator. So what does it mean? It means operator require one operand. Okay, so let's start with example. Over here I have declared three variable where z is initialized with 0. So let me assign x is equals to z plus plus. Okay, now what does it mean? Now over here you can see z plus plus. Over here z plus plus, it means this is our increment operator, and you can see this operator require only one value. That means only one operator is required. That is why it is called as unary operator. Now over here you can see this operator is after variable. Okay, so it is called as post increment operator. Okay, and let me assign y is equals to z plus plus z. So this is also increment operator, but it is pre-increment operator. Pre-increment. Now let me just print this variable. Okay, so printf, there are total three variable x, y, and z. Okay, so first of all I am printing value of z. After that in new line I will print x, and after that in new line I will print value of y. So this is my z, x, and y. Save. Compiled successfully, and now just run this program. Now over here you can see value of z. Now value of z is 2. Value of x is 0 and value of y is 2. Now let's see how it is possible. Over here first of all we have declared z is equals to 0. Okay, now over here x is equals to x is equals to z plus plus. Now as I have said, this is post increment operator. That means your increment will be performed after assignment. Okay, so over here right now value of z is 0, and first 0 is assigned to value of x. After that increment will be performed. So over here after execution of this statement, z is equals to 1. Okay, after execution of statement z will be 1. Now in next statement it is pre-increment operator. Now over here what is value of z? Value of z is equals to 1, and it is pre-increment. That means 1 plus 1, that is 2, which is assigned to y. That's why value of y is 2, and value of z. Now at a time when this statement is executing, value of z is also 2. So this is how it comes. Value of z is 2, x is 0 and y is 2. Okay. Similarly, there is also decrement operator. Okay. Now let's just execute this. So first compile, after that execute. So over here you can see this is -2, 0, -2, which is exactly same as above. Okay. So z is equals to 0. So x will be z minus z. So what is value of x? That is 0, because it is post decrement operator. Okay, over here now we are using decrement operator, that's why minus minus. So 0 is assigned to x and after that decrement operation will be performed. So value of z becomes -1. After that this is post increment operator. So value of z is decremented by 1 first and then assignment will be performed. So -1 and again -1, so total it becomes -2, and here we got our values -2, 0, -2. Now let me put some another values. Okay, let it be. Now if I say z is equals to x plus 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 minus minus y. Okay, and this is my operation printf. I am just giving you random increment, arithmetic increment, arithmetic addition operator, and with increment and decrement operator, just to show you how it works. Okay, it is not a specific program with perfect flow. I am just using this statement to explain you. And over here let me print value of z. So now let me just execute this statement. Over here value of z is +2, this value of this x. So over here what is value of z, which is equals to 2, value of x which is equals to 0, and value of y, it is also equals to 2. Okay, now you just need to be just aware whether it is a post increment or a post whether it is a post or a pre. Okay, so over here this is post, this is post. Okay, now over here I am also printing value of x. Okay, value of x, so that you can get idea of %d and value of x. Okay, now it is post increment operator. So right now what is value of x? You can see over here x is equals to 0. Okay, so 0 will remain as it is first. So 0 plus, now over here whether it is post increment or post decrement or a pre decrement, it is pre decrement operator. Okay, so right now what is value of y? You can see value of y is 2 and it is pre, that means first of all decrement operation will be performed. So value of y becomes 1. So over here value of x is 1. Over here first assignment or this arithmetic operation will be performed. After that this increment operation will be performed. So value of x will remain. Okay, over here by mistake it's 1, it will be 0. Okay, so value of x is equals to 0 plus this is post pre decrement. Okay, sorry, pre decrement operator. So what is value of y? That is 2. Now after decrement value of y by 1, what it will be value? So 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, so value of z should be 1. Now value of x, over here you can see this is over here x is equals to 0. After that we have performed post increment operator. So over here value of x will be 0, but if I print value of x over here, then you can see value of x, it should be 1. Okay, now let me just compile this program and execute. So over here you can see this is value of my z, x, y, and this is value of z. Okay, over here answer of this statement, that is 1, and value of x is 1, as I said earlier. Okay, so there is nothing to worry about increment and decrement operator. You just need to be careful whether it is a pre-increment, or a post increment or decrement operator. Okay, I hope you understood it, and just keep practicing. Bye bye.